All right. I just sat here, and did testing all night long. And YouTube isn't very friendly to streaming. If you have a high end PC and you know a lot about all super killer settings, you got to be damn good. I'm learning that. You got to be damn good. And still maybe have two computers. I don't know. But I know that I can stream to I can stream to Facebook right straight through this cheap $20 HDMI card, and it looked great and sound great. I try to do the same thing to YouTube, and it's dropping frames, dropping frames in the audio and the video. A lot of times it'll just be a video. It's dropping everything. I messed around with. I have been sitting here testing all night long, testing. And I done got down to where the best sound that I can get on YouTube is just the jam in the room with the amps, and use the pod mic. just use the pod mic out in the room. Just right here, kind of in between both of my in between my PA. Now that's pitiful. That sounds, it should sound like this.